Another excellent way to keep the peace, love, and kindness spark alive at your school, just like they did here at William Ford Elementary. Love the idea, and the students get involved. They had the superintendent, they had the staff. Everybody played a role in this. With help of a drone, they actually made a human peace sign out on their property of the school and made banners that are all over the school that you can see this and continue to remember the message. If you zoom in close here, I guess just like a drone does, right? You can see that they use their bodies to form the peace sign and actually truly choose to live this each and every day. You see banners like this all across the school, and it's a great reminder, excellent way to keep the message alive that was talked about during one of my presentations and reinforce the key themes of peace, love, and kindness. So consider doing this today at your school. Peace. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to receive notifications about great videos and other great ways to keep that momentum going at your school or organization. Click the link here. Check out the website, Mr. Peace, here as well for more information, to learn more about my services and the journey ahead, where I'm going to be going next. And check out the playlist above too for some other excellent videos. Peace.